Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to remove and replace the turn signal light bulb, rear turn signal light bulb on Honda Accord. This is the 9th generation from 2013 until recent 2016. Left and right side, guys, it will be an identical procedure, the same way. We'll just demonstrate on the left side. What you need to do, you need to open the trunk lid, and after that, as you can see, the tail light is here, but there is no pocket. On some of them you can find a pocket right here to open. On this one you can. So what you need to do, you need to get a flathead screwdriver, and we'll need to remove a couple clips. Okay, you can see the one right here and the one over there. So if you get the screwdriver like that, what you need to do, you need to go between the two. Okay, let me show you, like that, and pop it open. Okay, just like that. And then we need to do the one over here as well. Okay, just like that. And after that you can grab it and pull it out. You can see both of them coming out just like that. And now you need to pull that liner, that carpet liner, out of the way. And that's where the turn signal light bulb is, this one on top right here. So what you need to do, you just need to turn counterclockwise like that, about 30 degrees, and pull it out, guys. And that's the bulb right here. And now in order to remove it, you just pull it out, okay, like that. You just grab and pull. And if you need the number, okay, it's made by Stanley right here. That's the bulb. And then what you need to do, in order to replace it, you get a new one, and all you have to do is just push it in, okay, just like that, and until it clicks. And after that you need to install it there again. You need to find the slots. Now it goes only one way. Okay, let me see to get a good view. And after that you need to turn clockwise now, about 30 degrees to lock. You need to install the carpet liner right here. You need to make sure you go under the seal, okay, so it's not sticking out like that. And now you need to get the clip. You need to pull the centerpiece out a little bit, okay, like that. And then you will need to push the clip in, and then you push the centerpiece too, okay, just like that. And you do the top one as well. Okay, and you just push it in, guys, and that's the whole. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.